Hi, my name is Eric Landis. I'm the product manager for the Outback division for Keystone RV. Today I'd like to highlight a new floor plan that we just debuted called the 260 UML. Inside RVs, storage is at a premium. If we can put a door on it and call it storage, we do, especially on the 260 UML. Take a look at how much cabinet space you have in this particular layout. Overhead 1, overhead 2, overhead 3. But probably more impressive is the fact that we go above and beyond any other floor plan out in the market for extra storage. Check this out. 2, 3, 4. We also incorporated a pull-out spice rack. How neat is this? Not to limit your uses of storage pullouts, you have 4 additional cabinet pullouts that makes this coach very unique. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com.